Hello and good morning. It is Friday. We are into the thick of things. Yay! This is Mrs. Thompson, and I just wanted to touch base about next week's um, schedule because it gets a little wonky. So, next week, these homerooms 8:30 to 9, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They are going to be required because there's a lot of information that I went through over an orientation that I'm going to kind of dig a little bit deeper in. So I really need all students to be at these homerooms Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We typically won't have them on our regular scheduled weeks. This week, the week of August 29th and the week of September 5th, our schedule's a little bit different. We have what is called FastBridge testing. If you have been here in the past, it's going to be similar to MAP, but we switched to a different company called FastBridge. So we will be assessing math from a chunk from 9 to 10:30 and 10:30 to 12. We're not 100% sure how long this will take, roughly 30 minutes, I believe, but we wanted to give some extra time for everybody because this is new for us. So we're a little unsure on how it will all work. So math will be on Monday. FastBridge reading will be on Tuesday. Then you should, in your OLS, you should be able to see Mind Play. Please do not worry about Mind Play at all, any lessons right now. You will actually be working with your homeroom teacher, and we will help your students do the universal screener on Mind Play on Wednesday. Your session might be from 9 to 10:30 or 10:30 to noon. Please watch your Class Connect sessions for that. That is what that means, I guess, in your Class Connect sessions. And all of this is required, okay? Then on Thursday, we have a whole group. That's going to just be another fun session from 9 to 9:30. That will be, it won't necessarily be required. It might be required for some, but not for all. But let's look at the CBM reading. Okay, so we have 5 different times. Actually, I think, in my Class Connect sessions that it's from 1 to 3. This is going to be, again, if you were here in the past, it's similar to Ames Web. One-on-one, your student will read with me or Mrs. Auctioner a series of passages. I think it's 3, and answer some questions and also go over another little nonsense word fluency. Anyway, I know that's a lot of things that you're probably going, what? But just more reading assessments. That way we can understand your student better as a reader. So your student will not be there that entire time. So again, I think the Class Connect session I have set says 1 to 3. It's not for 2 hours, okay? So don't worry. It's gonna be for maybe 10 minutes at the absolute most. But what happens is I have the Class Connect session up. You will just come in. I will have you in that waiting room and I will go through each kiddo as soon as you get there. Okay, so you don't have to be there right at 1, but please don't wait until like 2:50 to get there either. I will grab a student as soon as I watch the waiting room, as soon as I see who comes. It's kind of like a first come, first serve. I'll get you in, get you reading, and then out you go, and then I'll grab the next student. So you might be sitting there waiting, but what's important is that you stay at your computer. So have something to do, colors, have the TV going or something. That way I can, when I'm ready for you, you will be ready for me too. Okay. But I think that is it. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. If the times don't work, please let your teacher know. But this assessment is very, very important for all, okay? So that's the week of August 29th. And then just looking ahead, the week of September 5th, there's no school on Monday for Labor Day. Tuesday is count day. Count day, we need you to show schooling for 6 hours. So your Tuesday the 6th is really full. But again, there's breaks built in there. So please don't worry that your child is going to be sitting there from 8:30 to 12. It looks that way, but it is not going to be that way. Okay. And then Wednesday and Thursday, we just have more whole group. And any makeup sessions, if you can't make it this week, we have time built in that you can make it the week of September 5th. But we would really, really like you to have all your assessments done the week of August 29th. That way, the week of September 12th, we can jump right on into our regular, have everybody grouped where they need to be, and we can get in and get going. So, yeah, the next 2 weeks are going to be a little bit crazy, but it'll be great. All right, thank you. Bye bye.